Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. The matchday noise at this place is truly special. The pride, the passion, it adds to a massive sense of occasion. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
This guy, Hudson-Odoi, is a fine winger in an old-fashioned sense. He tends to stick to his wide positions, but he's shown himself to be a creative outlet, and he doesn't actually shirk from his defensive duties either. You can usually expect a mature, all-round game from him.
Yes, he'd be my pick too. It's going to be all about how they get the best out of him. Robbie. And it's Xhaka. Robbie! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Robbie actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
Tries to get it clear. Defend. Forward it goes. Xhaka. Well, there was an element of promise insofar as they kept the ball well, but they did very little with it. Looking for options for movement. Now, can he finish? Oh, split-second reaction.
Hudson-Odoi really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Defender, he's having a go! Good effort first time.
Yeah, quick thinking and the right choice for me, but that was difficult to get right.
It's their second corner of the game. Real chance! And now a sudden chance to counter. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Awani running with the ball, gets his pass away, and he welcomes it in. He's got away. Hudson-Odoi!
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
So we have our breakthrough.
Still a fragile lead though. They can't afford to sit on this.
And it's Traore. Lefebvre. No surprise at all that this is the guy who's had such a positive impact.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply part of his package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
Oh, that's a key interception. Passing is crisp and sharp. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. And they can counter here. That tackle was certainly sturdy.
Well, that was well positioned and well pinched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Fiddles it, tries a shot! Douglas Luiz goes forward. Reinildo. And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. 1-0 the score. And it's played forward. Lefebvre. And he's picked out the run. Now it's Traoré. Pulls it back. He's had a shot! It's off target and by quite a way. Pressing's intense and it's paid off. Granit Xhaka. And it's Xhaka. Has a shot! He's done very well to get to that.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Alderete. Forwards and with intent. A bit of throw in. Alderete. Oh, what a ball he's in here! Traoré. Can he finish? A really close shave and the last action of the first half. So the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments. There's been no shortage of talking points, but there has been just one goal, and that is the state of it at the break. 1-0.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They work tirelessly for me.
Leading 1-0 at the break. Already up and running for the second half.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Oh, that is a nice touch. Oh, what a ball! Well, that is one way to stop him. He's got the shot away! No mistake! The second half off to a spectacular start!
Yeah, the touch before the finish is so often the critical part, and we've just seen an example.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Look, get your seatbelts on, because this is showing all the signs of another roller coaster ride.
Well, he's felt that, hasn't he? And the counter is on. Reinildo. Robe, foot in. Now then, the ball's come loose. Douglas Luiz. Now Hudson-Odoi. Now it's Awoniyi. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Turns back here, probably the best option. Shifted upfield. Granit Xhaka. Poveda. Traore. Played out to the left flank. Oh, the less said about that pass, the better. Aina. Now Anderson. Aim forwards. Awoniyi. Oh, well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Played out to the right. Traore plays it in. And through to the goalkeeper. Looking for the runner. And he's there to clear it. And play for a throw. So here comes a substitution. That has been knocked clear. Some really good ball movement. And he's forced to go back. Reinildo. Granit Xhaka. Bout of passing here, really easy on the eye. The referee's awarded a free kick. And no surprise, that's a booking. Crossbar comes to the rescue. He's going for goal. And no, he couldn't find the finish.
Granit Xhaka fully appreciates that he could have won it then, and now he'll be all the keener not to lose it. Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
Great defending, strong and determined. But there's going to be another change here.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Reinildo.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner. Look, there has to be more urgency here. The ball has to get to the other end much faster.
Opts for safety. Reinildo. Gently done.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Nicely intercepted. Two minutes to be added on. And time is up.